Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Jasmy video update. So from the last time we talked about Jasmy, is that this was amazing, that you're crossing, making the bull cross, and you're coming down, you're holding the 55, and you pretty much bounced off this 55 EMA, and now you're pushing to the upside and higher. So at the current situation, I'm gonna keep this very simple, and this is amazing because when you look at Jasmy, you see something so beautiful of a pattern, but it still needs a little bit of more work, because I'm looking for Jasmy to pump, and it has the potential to go up from there to there, and we're looking about 65% move to the upside. So where does this 65% move come from? You got the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder right here. So this is a huge inverse head and shoulder. Some people are going to say it's a cup and handle. Yep, it's also a cup and handle. So two patterns combined actually, but I think it's more like a cup and handle. I don't know, for some reason I kind of feel like it's a cup and handle, because they like to twist patterns. Now you can actually, if it's a cup and handle, it's going to be something more like that. Okay, so it's going to be a little bit something like this, and then you come up, but still the technical target pretty much seems to be the very same. Now if we talk about this one being an inverse head and shoulder, and I kind of like this one better, because the more data you have, the more better it is. So you're sitting at the resistance right now, you're pumping into the resistance, and I do expect the resistance to eventually get broken and also make a successful retest, and then Jasmy can actually push even higher. So again, the technical target, if you take that top to the bottom, this is where you're going to break out and you move from there. So you have a technical target to come up to 0.1113, and the day we actually get to this department and you get to the 13,000, actually this is at 6,000, and if you get into the 13,000 department, man, I think we're about to see a very big explosion in Jasmy. Then that's this was your bottom. No, I don't think there's going to be any more technical targets, but early signs are there, because EMAs are actually holding. Okay, we've talked about EMAs before, and holding the EMAs is actually a good thing. So this is for the first time you made a very nice good bounce off the 55. You've made a bull cross. The bull cross is confirmed. The bull cross is there. Now all we need to see is this resistance getting broken. So you're gonna have a squeeze. Okay, you're gonna have a squeeze here. Now that you have this upper resistance right there, you also have this support of the EMAs coming up. So the 55 is gonna move up, the 20 is gonna move, and the 10 is gonna move. And when you do that, let's say the maximum time we're gonna have to wait is around the middle of May here. So in the middle of May, you're gonna get an answer. So anytime before middle of May, you might end up coming up, back testing, boom, and then you shoot all the way to the upside and take over. So that's it for this Jasmy video update. I don't think we need to see you to talk about anything else. It's a pattern. Let's see how the pattern behaves. And my private channel is also gonna close in the next 2 days. If you want to join, be a part of it, message me on Twitter and stuff, and I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.